What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Object Oriented. So in this video I am going to show you how you can start working with courier Wolt Courier application. Basically it's a food delivery application, so you can work with them as a courier or as a writer. So to do this you need to go on to Google and just click on just type there Wolt Courier. After typing Wolt Courier, click on enter button and then you will see first link here, apply as a courier Wolt. Just click on this link and then you will see uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 steps. So you need to follow these steps one by one. So on the first page you will have to enter your personal details like your first name. I already have an account, so I don't want to enter my details again, so I'm going to enter the dummy data. Okay, so in the task okay, enter your email, okay, then here you need to select your language. I will like to select English. Then below down you need to enter your date of birth, month and day. Okay, and here you need to enter your phone number and then you need to select your country. So then here down you need to enter your city. I am going to select Prague, and in the delivery vehicle you need to select the vehicle on which you will start delivering your food. So I am going to select bike. Just have a cycle, I am going to select this one. So in this exam, okay, so courier partner referral code. If you have any of your friend is working with the Wolt application as a rider, so you can ask a referral code of them, then you can enter their code as well here. So if you don't have the code, then it's okay, you can skip this step and click on this I have read and agree button, and then you need to go next, click on send application, and on the second page you will see verify account page. Okay, so there you will need to verify two things, your phone number and your email address. So it is also very easy. In the third page you will see an introduction of the Wolt application, how they work, in which area they work, and just like that. And in the fourth section you have to download the application, and in the fifth one you need to sign the contract, and in the sixth one everything is done. Okay, so these are the simple steps you need to follow to get your Wolt Rider account. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comments. I will definitely answer you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.